1. Which enzyme is inhibited by aspirin to exert its anti-inflammatory effect? A. Cyclooxygenase. B. Lipoxygenase. C. Phospholipase A2. D. Thromboxane synthase. Right answer is a cyclooxygenase. 2. Which class of drugs is commonly used to treat myasthenia gravis? A. Beta blockers. B. Acetylcholinesterase inhibitors. C. Calcium channel blockers. D. MAO inhibitors. Right answer is B. Acetylcholinesterase inhibitors. 3. Which drug is the first-line treatment for anaphylactic shock? A. Dopamine. B. Norepinephrine. C. Epinephrine. D. Hydrocortisone. Right answer is C. Epinephrine. 4. Which of the following is a loop diuretic? A. Hydrochlorothiazide. B. Spironolactone. C. Furosemide. D. Acetazolamide. Right answer is C. Furosemide. 5. What is the mechanism of action of proton pump inhibitors, PPIs? A. Inhibition of H2 receptors. B. Blocking the H+, K+ ATPase pump. C. Inhibiting carbonic anhydrase. D. Stimulating bicarbonate secretion. Right answer is B. Blocking the H+, K+ ATPase pump. 6. Which antibiotic is contraindicated in pregnancy due to its teratogenic effects? A. Amoxicillin. B. Erythromycin. C. Tetracycline. D. Ceftriaxone. Right answer is C. Tetracycline. 7. Which drug is used in the treatment of tuberculosis and causes orange-colored urine? A. Rifampin. B. Isoniazid. C. Pyrazinamide. D. Ethambutol. Right answer is a rifampin. 8. Which antihypertensive drug is preferred in pregnancy? A. Lisinopril. B. Methyldopa. C. Amlodipine. D. Propanolol. Right answer is B. Methyldopa. 9. Which insulin type has the shortest duration of action? A. NPH insulin. B. Regular insulin. C. Lispro insulin. D. Detemir insulin. Right answer is B. Regular insulin. 10. Which drug is used to reverse opioid overdose? A. Flumazenil. B. Naloxone. C. Atropine. D. Prolidoxime. Right answer is B. Naloxone. 11. Which hormone is primarily responsible for ovulation? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Luteinizing hormone, LH. D. Prolactin. Right answer is C. Luteinizing hormones. 12. Which condition is characterized by endometrial tissue growing outside the uterus? A. Adenomyosis. B. Endometriosis. C. Uterine fibroids. D. Pelvic inflammatory disease. Right answer is B. Endometriosis. 13. Which of the following is a risk factor for cervical cancer? A. Late menopause. B. HPV infection. C. Nulliparity. D. Polycystic ovarian syndrome. Right answer is B. HPV infection. 14. Which of the following is the most common site of ectopic pregnancy? A. Ovary. B. Cervix. C. Fallopian tube. D. Abdominal cavity. Right answer is C. Fallopian tube. 15. What is the most common symptom of uterine fibroids? A. Amenorrhea. B. Heavy menstrual bleeding. C. Pelvic pain only. D. Infertility. Right answer is B. Heavy menstrual bleeding. 16. Which hormone is measured to confirm menopause? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. FSH. D. Prolactin. Right answer is C. FSH. 17. What is the most common ovarian tumor in young women? A. Serous cystadenoma. B. Dermoid cyst teratoma. C. Mucinous cystadenoma. D. Granulosa cell tumor. Right answer is B. Dermoid cyst. 18. Which condition is characterized by excessive hair growth in women? A. Endometriosis. B. Polycystic ovarian syndrome. C. Uterine prolapse. D. Bartholin's cyst. Right answer is B. Polycystic ovarian syndrome. 19. Which hormone is mainly responsible for milk production? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Prolactin. D. Oxytocin. Right answer is C. Prolactin. 20. Which test is commonly used for cervical cancer screening? A. Mammography. B. Pap smear. C. CA125 test. D. Hysteroscopy. Right answer is B. Pap smear.